Hi guys, let me explain something to you. On the road to happiness and self-discovery, you have to be willing to lose people, because the truth of the matter is not everybody that started with you is going to end with you. You know, in life, you have two different type of people. You have marathon runners and you have sprinters. The sprinters are the ones that they start off strong, but then they fizzle out. The marathon runners are the ones who they're with you through the long haul. You know, they're not just going to sprint and then give up. They're going to be with you from beginning to end. And the truth of the matter is you actually need both, because they both teach you two different set of lessons. But it's too many people out there that are living miserable lives because they're scared to let go of people. So the next time that friend betrays you, or the next time somebody drops out of your life or does you dirty or whatever the case may be, stabs you in the back, don't get down about it. Don't get depressed about it. Actually thank them. Thank them for exposing themselves to you and making your job easier. Everybody can't come, period. So with that being said, until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.